AI assistants are choosing winners. If your content cannot be the answer, you're invisible at the moment that matters. I am Just Ravi, and on Jagged with Just Ravi, we cut through noise to sharpen marketing and branding decisions. Today, a practical playbook to turn any page into the answer AI will lift, cite, and drive to conversion. Here's a scene. A clinic content manager spots a tiny referral from an AI assistant. It's 0.5% of traffic, but those visitors become booked consultants at crazy high rates. A staggering 23x higher rate. That's the gold way. Most teens chase volume. Smart teens chase the moment of decision. Think back to old SEO we built for the librarian who pointed to books. Today, the assistant hears a full question and hands over one clear, usable answer. The librarian lists. The assistant recommends. Right for the assistant. To be the answer, you need three things: clarity, structure, decision utility. Write this on a sticky note above your desk. Clarity, short, decisive lines. Structure, summary boxes, bullets, comparison tables. Decision utility, help someone choose now. AI will lift content that reads like an answer. Here's an example: Nika. When shoppers compare serums, they want ingredient quick takes and one line verdicts. The content that compares best for oily skin versus best for anti aging gets picked because shoppers trust verdicts over vague claims. Example 2: Flipkart product pages. When comparison tables are clean, assistants can recommend one product over the other because story builds trust, but structure wins conversion. In healthcare, the stakes are even higher. Procter or Apollo pages that answer, do I need teleconsult or in person for chest pain? With a clear triage, cost and recovery timeline are the pages AI will lift. A decision friendly page means bookings, not just eyeballs. Here's exactly what to add to any page to make it liftable: a 3-line summary box that answers the decision, a 3-row comparison table with 1-line verdict, 3 rapid FAQs with 1-line answers, 1 short evidence line, a stat, an outcome, or procedure metric. If you've ever tried Microsoft 365 Copilot for a search, you'll see it'll pull a deck, an email thread, and summary into a single synthesized answer. Consumer AI will do the same. It will surface ecosystems, not isolated posts. Think your microsite, your YouTube demo, your case study. AI connects them. If your content pieces are not connected, AI won't stitch you into the answer. If we map this to the consumer journey, for awareness, you'll tell a story. For consideration, you'll structure comparisons and buyer guides. For decision, you'll give pricing transparency, timelines, testimonials, 1-line recommendations. Stop overfunding awareness. AI won't lift your story if it can't help someone decide. So prioritize consideration and decision stages of the journey. That's where AI lifts answers that convert. So if you can extract 3 takeaways in 5 seconds, your page is liftable. Now, what's that one thing you'll change on your next page after watching this? Drop it in the comments. You'll remember it better when you type it. Subscribe to my channel, stay jagged, and I'll see you again. Bye bye.